Okay, juniors, we're covering one simple concept for grammar this week, and that is that verbs have three tenses. You probably already know this: present, past, and future. So I'm using the word march here, the verb march, to show this. I march in the band. That's present tense. She marches in the band. Also present tense. It's happening right now. If we want to go past tense, most of the time that means we're going to add a D or an ED. We marched in the band. There are, of course, irregular verbs like bought, so we bought our instruments. We wouldn't say we bringed our instruments. Future tense, you got two options. You can either add the word will or the word shall before the verb to show that it's happening in the future. We will march in the band, or if you're feeling extra sophisticated, we shall march in the band. All right, so both of your exercises today are going to follow the exact same format, and so is the quiz later this week. The exact same format. So it says the band, and I've already partially filled it in here, in the parade this weekend. I'm looking for the future tense of march. Well, if I'm going to show it in the future, I'm going to have to add will march or, again, shall march. Either one of those would work. This final example, I just want to remind you that the verb be, the forms of be are am, is, are, was, and were. So don't be afraid to oh, has it got to be being, been? No, it doesn't. So you blank my best friend. If I'm looking for the past tense of be, it's not going to be are. It's going to be you were my best friend. And you got to wonder what you did to become a past tense best friend.